The religion that claims to be from God must show signs of being from God and should bear God's seal, which should attest the fact that it is from Him. Islam is such a religion that God, who is hidden, is known through this religion and manifests Himself to the true followers of this religion. A true religion is supported by the hand of God, and through such religion, God manifests Himself that He exists. The religions that depend entirely upon stories are only a form of idol worship. Such religions do not possess the spirit of truth. If God is alive as He was, and speaks and hears as He did, there is no reason why He should continue to be silent as if He does not exist. If He does not speak in this age, then equally and certainly He does not hear either. In other words, He is now nothing. That religion alone is true, which demonstrates that God hears and speaks in this age also. In a true religion, God attests His existence through His speaking.